All right, so today what we are doing is reflection and our call to action. So we'll start with the call to action. The call to action, if you go down to your shapes, you right click, you go to the polygon tool. And if you look across the top here, it tells you the color and what it's going to be. But if you look over here, it has number. So I'm going to change this number to 20. And I'm going to select this. Now I have a 20-point polygon / circle. If you go over here to your properties menu, and you click on it and you scroll down, you'll see a star and it will say 100%. So I'm going to change it to 50%. So now I have like a starburst kind of thing. I can change the color to one of my colors. And I can, let's see, we'll go with dark. And then we're going to click that. We need to name this star. And then we're going to put in text by now. I'm going to go to my text. I'm going to select it. I'm going to change it to black. And then I am going to move it over here. I can then hit Control T. Oops. I can hit Control T and I can make it bigger so that it fits on my star. The other cool thing you can do too is if you go to your star and you double click on it, you remember the styles, I can click on stroke, and if you click on the word stroke, you can change it, and we'll change it to black, I guess. And instead of 10, we'll make it 3, and it just makes it stand out a little bit more. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the name. It's probably the easiest for you to do. If I click on, the name, and I hit Control T, and then I go ahead, oh wait, before we do that, when we have this selected, we're going to right click and go to Copy Layer. Or duplicate layer, there you go. All right, and then we're going to hit Control T. We're going to right click and we are going to flip this vertically. So now it's kind of like a reflection, but it's really dark and it goes into all of my stuff. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the opacity and you're going to just bring it down. So now if I went to File, Print, and this is only to see what it looks like, I might want to turn down, yeah, I think this is still a little bit dark. You can do it for any of them. It can be any text at all. You can put a reflection in. All right. If you have any questions or problems, let me know.